Alright, playing it risky here in the storm. I haven't had a storm in this town as strong as this in many, many years. And amusingly enough, I happen to get phone repair jobs required just now. I've already done 2 under torchlight. We managed to get our power back. It was back for about 5 minutes and then we lost power again. Alright, so I'm going to try and get this done before I lose power again. This is just an iPhone success. Nothing dramatic, just a simple face down, peanut butter style. Oop, there goes the paper. Yeah, face down like peanut butter on toast. Yeah, that thunder's got something to say for itself. The dogs won't be happy. Fortunately, all our cats are inside. I mean, they're not happy about this sort of weather, but they're also safely inside. It's funny, we have different, they have different responses. Like our most outgoing cat is the most scared of storms, and our cat that's scared of everything is not scared of storms, and the in-between one is in between. Yeah, that sounds like it's getting closer. I think I've got rain blowing on my back, so I better check the windows. Yep, big fat raindrops coming through there. Okay, oop, power glitch. That one was a little close to home. Alright, let's get back to this. For some reason that screw is not... Yeah, that storm's pretty pissed off. Alright, screw finally fitted in. That is blowing real hard against the window. We don't normally have it blow against that window. I haven't had weather. Holy shit. Yeah. As I was saying, we haven't had weather like this in well over a decade. We've been having a whole week of about 38 to 40 degrees centigrade weather. So there's plenty of energy up there in the atmosphere. I'm hoping people have got their pets inside, because yeah, this is scary as anything for them. Yep, there goes the glitch. It's funny, earlier on when we had the first wave of the storm, we were saying it's a shame that it's just up and left. Here comes another one. I think it's passed over us now. And we'll sort of saying we didn't get much rain out of it, so it looks like it's come back for us. to give us that rain that we wanted. So like, oh, you want some rain, eh? You have some of this. Yeah, anyway. Paul, be a mature and responsible, adult-like, professional repair person. I'll be happy to get this done before we lose power. Twice today I've missed out on getting coffee because of the power outage. There goes a glitch. I gotta stop rushing. Rushing only makes me slower. Oh. Yeah.